Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Gems. Today we're going to be talking about the Meta Turtle Club project. We'll be covering its artwork, community, and utility behind the project, so stay till the end of the video to get all the juicy details. Now before I get started, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's dive into it. So here is the Meta Turtles Club NFT website. And just a quick reminder that the websites covered in this video will all be linked down in the description below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And yeah, once you come onto their website, you'll see this little trailer just showing off their artwork and their NFTs, as well as the Meta Turtle Club logo. We have the links for the Twitter, Instagram, Discord, and OpenSea above on the navigation. And if we scroll down, here is a little bit about the project itself. Now they are an art-based project that will revolutionize the 3D NFT space with real interactive art. The quality and caliber of what they're doing has not been done before, and they're really trying to build a solid foundation. So they have a good why and reason as their end goal. So they want to empty all the plastic waste from the ocean. The Meta Turtle Club is a collection of 8888 3D fully immersive 360 degrees unique turtle NFT designed by artist August Quarter, and they're really hoping this project will raise some awareness for protecting our ocean and saving all marine life, especially the turtles. Climate change is a big issue right now. The sea is full of plastic and there's a ton of turtle species going endangered. So this is what their whole why and reasoning behind this project is to build a community driven by change. They say the Meta Turtle Club is more than just art or a charity project, and they plan to really grow to become a global brand dominating the metaverse and the whole universe. Now here is a up close look at their artwork, and as we can see, this is a 3D rendered project. They have some good designs, good outline, good shaping and rendering overall. If we do take a look at some of the details and the edges and whatnot, all these turtle characters have some cool designs and accessories like hats, different chains, different ties, glasses and whatnot. So overall the artwork does seem proper and does seem really appealing to the whole 3D artwork category of NFTs. So their whole mission is actually to deepen society's knowledge and understanding of the importance of ocean sustainability by supporting ocean conservation and promoting good practices. And they're going to be rewarding their community by developing an environmentally friendly economy. The Meta Turtle Club brand will actually be promoting innovation, building sustainable solutions and technologies for their community. Then over here, they list out some of their core values that they believe in, such as excellence, respect, and positivity within their community. Then here is their roadmap of what they have coming up. And right off the bat, we see that this is quite brief, which is a good sign, because a lot of projects that do too much detail in their roadmaps do not end up following through with them. So it's good to see that these guys kept it brief. So phase one is the pond, where they'll be building the community and have their first Genesis drop. Next is the lake, which is phase two, which includes live events and physical meta. Then phase three, which is the river, which will include a big airdrop, as well as this little kind of, I'm not too sure if this is a code or whatnot, but maybe just giving off a clue of something special that they might be dropping. Then on to phase four, the ocean phase, which will include partnerships and collaborations, as well as utility for their holders. And then phase five, the world takeover. So this will include exploring the metaverse, their brand launch, as well as expanding the overall company itself. We then get to see a cool little slideshow of their different art pieces, just going along, showing you all the different artwork and accessories, different designs that they have going on. And then down here we have the team. So the founder and artist is actually August, which they mentioned earlier above in their description and detail behind the project. So they have developers, marketing managers, strategy manager, music producer, community officer, as well as all their links. So you guys can also check them out and the background and people who is really working behind the scenes about this project. Now here is their Genesis collection listed on OpenSea, and there's only a total of 9 items currently. If we take a look at some of the artwork, once again, very cool stuff. We took a look at this earlier. As we can see, if I click on one of these and check this one out, Sir Window, for example, if you click on the picture, you can actually interact with this, which is pretty cool. This is very rare for an NFT project to do this with their collection dropping, especially on OpenSea. So this is very interactive for the users, not only, but the people who are looking to buy. So really cool stuff. You can really see the overall artwork, and just know that this is a artwork first based project because they've done a lot of detail if we look at some of the close-ups on this. So their OpenSea is definitely worth taking a look at, and you can actually pick one of these up if you guys would like. It is on OpenSea. And just by the way, just a little side note, that a lot of projects on OpenSea are doing the same thing, kind of copying their page at least and listing as accounts on OpenSea though. So that's kind of like a hint that maybe some people are taking a look at this project and seeing, wow, this will be a huge potential project in the future, and let's just make a copy page on OpenSea and try to trick people, you know? So that's just a little thing that I noticed and just want to point out. So just a quick little side note. Now here is their Discord page, and they got a ton of information about their project in detail over here. So the roadmap we saw on their website was just a little part of it, but they do have some more details over here going into smaller details and information about each phase. So remember the little code thing in phase 3, they actually explain a little more over here. So we have something special planned out as well in this phase. All we are going to give is this little m+e/t, this little code equals question mark, at least for the time being. So it's cool that they're being secretive for their community, you know, surprising them with something in the future and just not giving up that much details just yet, but you know, could be quite some cool stuff in store for the community in the future once they launch this phase. But seeing all this information and details about the plans that they have up ahead in the future is really promising for this project. It shows that the team behind this is really strong, and they've actually combined their abilities and skills together to create all this planning up ahead for the future, really showing their dedication for the project. Another great thing about their team is how transparent they are with their community, trying to build that real strong community bond from the start and get-go. So if we take a look over here, they say it themselves, they want to be transparent with their communities as possible. So they're a team of 6 people, 3 of them which graduated from University of London. That's pretty cool. One of them studied as computational design, one person did computer science, one person studied in business management. So really just shows you that this team is not playing around. They have some great strong backgrounds and abilities and skills that they're really bringing over to this project for the long-term future growth. So if you want to read up on more details about the team and planning of this project, they have some more information in their Discord, which will also be in the link down in the description below. So make sure to go check it out over there. And last but not least, let's check out the community on their Twitter page. Although they might seem like they are small, they are quickly and rapidly growing and building up that community since they are only in phase 1. And once we see these next phases play out, I'm sure this community was bound to grow because they have a lot in store. Once again, we see some of their artwork as the banner. This is their logo as well. So it shows you the 8,888 unique, fully 360 degrees 3D turtles designed by August Quarter. And this is the person, the team lead, the founder of the project, as well as the artist who is on Twitter as well. So that's pretty cool. They have him in the bio, so you can check out his page as well. But going through their Twitter, they have the same little trailer as their pin tweet, just showing you off a little bit of their artwork as well as their logo. So that's pretty cool to see. And just some more artwork and designs, really just showing off their art pieces because this is a art-based project. Don't forget that, guys. And over here, even just showing you the process of building out their 3D rendered art pieces, how much detail and effort really goes into this. And once again, this team is solid, guys. So they really pay attention to details when it comes to their artwork. Just going through their Twitter, this is a solid place to stay up to date for this project. If you are following along and are interested in keeping up to date with this project, you're definitely going to want to give them a follow, have those notifications on because they do some awesome stuff overall over here. So that was just a brief overview of the Meta Turtles Club project. There's a great team behind this project working hard. They have a ton of different phases coming out, part of their roadmap for more utility, and they have some great value standing up for climate change and as well as the ocean pollution. So if you want to be part of this awesome project, make sure to check out the link down in the description below because all the information and details will be over there. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a like, comment down below any questions you might have had about this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Gems channel so you can keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space to help you on your journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.